Hi, I'm Jean Lawrence from Oracle, and I'm joined today by Gautam Tulsian from Equifax, the CIO. Equifax, of course, is a well-known company. Can you take a few minutes and just explain to us a little bit more about the lines of business that you have and what kinds of services you provide to your customers?
Absolutely. So, most of us know us as the credit reporting company. But our biggest line of service essentially is serving the big financial companies, the banks, in providing credit monitoring and credit reporting for our consumers. The other business that we have is around verification of employment. The third biggest segment obviously is our international segment. We serve across multiple geographies. And the fourth one, which our consumer business, which essentially is what drives the core of our structure.
Great. So how do you monetize all of those services? In what methods do you use subscription? Do you use usage-based pricing, one-time charging, bundling? And what are you doing today? And what is your vision of how you want to monetize services going forward?
Subscriptions, all you can eat, with thresholds, with limits, usage-based, which is a big aspect of our business. And that allows us to package based on the needs of our customers and lets us offer some sort of a perfect way for us to price it for them. Everybody's looking at data as a holistic manner, so we can't just simply sell a credit report and a verification of income separately. Our consumers, our customers want them together. So that is where bundling comes in, where we can cut across our businesses, our silos, and say, okay, this is the perfect bundle for our customer. What I call a dynamic bundle. The bundle that we can offer from our data insights based on what the customer needs. It's all about personalization.
Can you talk a little bit about how BRM is helping you monetize these services in the way that you want to for your customers?
What we're using BRM essentially as our core. But we are using a technology-driven transformation to kind of force standardization across our products. What BRM is allowing us is build those capabilities and kind of present it to our customers, both internal and external, in the way that they want to ingest them and kind of use them to what they want. I mean, the personalization can only happen if we have standards. Otherwise, it becomes a hodgepodge of so much complexity that we will not be able to handle. And BRM kind of is a bedrock that allows us to then, once the deal is sold and the customers have signed the contracts, for us to build them, for us to kind of make sure that they get what they have paying for. And from our perspective, so we're not sharing data or assets that they didn't buy. So making sure that it's a win-win for both sides.
Well, thank you, Gautam, very much for your time talking with me here today, and thank you for joining us as well.